Wanna know how to view your profile settings or your account settings in Snyk? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your app.snyk.io website right here, and you should be under this interface. Make sure you are logged in as well. Now, since we are viewing our account settings, you can just simply see this menu which should extend if you hover on it, and here you should be seeing your name as well, just like that. And here you should be seeing account settings right above notification preferences. This is how you access it. Now, as you can see right here, your account settings should properly be here. So you can just simply switch from general to authorized sync apps on the left side, including notifications and much more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of this Snyk videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.